Trimming audio files in Brisk Audio. Brisk Audio makes it easy to trim your recordings and keep only the parts you need. To start, click Edit in the left menu and select Trim. At the top right corner, pick your file from the drop-down or click Upload Audio File to bring in a new one. On the Trim page, set the section you want to keep. Use Trim Start Time to trim everything before that point. Use Trim End Time to trim everything after a point. Or use Waveform Selection. Just click and drag on the waveform to highlight the region you want to keep. Adjust the vertical black lines to fine-tune your start and end times. When you're happy, click Trim to finalize your selection. Click Download to save your file to your device. Trimming is perfect for removing silence from the start and end of recordings. For a quick cleanup, try Auto Trim Select, and always preview your selection after trimming to make sure it's just right. For more Brisk audio tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.